You're welcome to Science Array with Glory Valentine. In today's lesson, we are going to fix or restore Google Chrome redirects. Let's get started. We will see how this issue can happen to any Google Chrome user. Double-click on your Google Chrome to open. On your URL, you can type what you want to search. An example, I want to search a noun. Enter on my keyboard. Is loading. It opened the divination. Is still loading. To redirect, now it has redirected me to a different page entirely. For me to fix this issue, I'll click on the three dots here. Go to where it says settings, click on settings. Go to where you have reset and clean up. In some of the computers, you will see advanced. If you see advanced, click on advanced and then you will see reset and clean up. For my own system, reset and clean up is there as I enter the settings. So double click on reset and clean up. It opens here. Restore settings to their original default. Click on that. Reset settings. This is what this action will do to your system. This action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. Click on reset settings. Now it has reset the settings. I click on a new tab again. Let's type what is a noun. You may need to restart your system before searching again, or you just type what you wanted to search. So here it is. It has not redirected me to any link again, so the issue is fixed. Thank you for watching.